Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now I'll get to those gas prices shortly, but before that, the Bank of Jamaica says the rollout of the central bank digital currency Jam-Dex is behind its projected target. Governor Richard Biles says this is due to a number of issues, including the slow transition of the existing technology to accept Jam-Dex.
We are not where we want it to be. And we have come across challenges that we didn't foresee in the beginning. As you can imagine, the big hurdle to overcome or the goal to achieve with issuing a new currency like Jam-Dex is you need to have the merchants in a position to accept it, so that when individuals like you and I go to them, they have the capacity to accept the currency from you. We're finding that the current POS machines that the larger merchants have need to be adjusted to take a Jam-Dex QR code.
Now, Mr. Biles says other payment technologies used by smaller merchants, to include mobile applications, have been successful. Currently, only one digital wallet link offered by NCB is in the market. This doesn't help the plan to increase reach and use.
For the banks to develop their wallet. And only the technology people can tell me why it costs so much, because it's just amazing. Some banks tell me 300,000 US, 500,000 US. I don't know. I mean, maybe I should have been an IT person because that's a lot of money to develop a digital wallet. But apart from that, they also have to invest in the equipment to be able to move the digital currency around.
Mr. Biles says one other financial institution has completed its digital wallet and is currently doing testing before the public rollout. Another institution is also looking to enter the BOJ's testing sandbox. Coming out of a week of substantial increases, gas prices will see a marginal decline effective tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will drop by 25 cents per litre. Diesel will decline by 38 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for 58 cents less. $3.06 will, however, be added to the cost of kerosene. Propane will go down by $1.90, while butane will sell for $2.06 less. Of course, each gas station will make the additions to these prices, which includes their ex-refinery rate and their own markups. Now let's head to the foreign currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.92. $116.36 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $197.85, while it's costing $167.79 for the euro. And the JSE index gained 1,279 points today, while the junior market index lost 53 points. Among the 31 winners were ISP Finance Services, Caribbean Cream, Palace Amusement, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, and Mayberry Investments. The 50 losers included Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Express Catering, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Lasco Financial Services, and General Accident Insurance Company, Jamaica. 17 stocks closed trading at the same price as it did on Tuesday, which means they traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.